Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy, 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 yummy.
Oh no, it seemed that you had pilot.
Info and Fifana.
This is a serious problem according to the copyright law. For more information, go to
Cookie Monster influence.
www.piracy. For your safety, it is good how you turn off your phone. You have 5 chances.
Understand? Stop.
Oh, you didn't turn off your phone. Now you lost a chance. You now have 4 chances left. Please turn off your phone or you will lose another chance.
No. Why?
Seriously? You didn't listen to us again? Come on. Alright, 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your phone, please. Oh, you're kidding. You didn't listen to us again. Really, you're making us mad. And you wouldn't like us when we get mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your phone. Okay, you're presenting on our last nerves. I swear, this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your phone in the next 5 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next.
That's it. You asked for it.